Hihilain ko yan. Hihilain ko yan. Naku, maniwala nga, hihilain ko yan. Katupat ng manas. Pero hihilain ko yan. So, President, ako kung masusunod dito ngayon, reklamo niyo lang ako.
Gusto niyang kausapin para lang klaro.
Sino? Walang mas mataas sa akin. Ako na ang commander dito. Sir na ako, sir.
Direksyonin niyo po, Sir Plano.
Yes. Okay, sir. Your lawyers are witnesses. You can always file.
You have to kill me.
It's not our intention.
You have to kill me to bring me to him.
It's not our intention, sir. It's not our intention. It's not our intention. It's not our intention, sir. Easy.
Sir, di ba siya po yung talaga?
You know that you've done your duty. Okay? You've done your duty.
Alalayan lang si Presidente.